Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Wi-Fi button on your Voltas AC remote. First, make sure your AC unit is plugged in and powered on. Then, find the dedicated Wi-Fi button on your remote control. It's usually clearly labeled. To begin the pairing process, simply press and hold this button for about 3 to 5 seconds. This action will activate the Wi-Fi function on your AC. Once the Wi-Fi function is activated on your AC, grab your smartphone or tablet. Open the Voltas Smart AC application. Within the app, you'll find an option to Add Device. Tap on this, and the app will guide you through the steps to connect your AC to your home's wireless network. Make sure your phone is also connected to the same network for a smooth setup. With your Voltas AC now connected to the app, you gain full smart control. You can effortlessly adjust the temperature, change fan speeds, and switch between different operating modes like cool, dry, or fan only, all from your phone. The app also allows you to set convenient schedules, ensuring your home is comfortable exactly when you need it, and even helps monitor energy usage. If you encounter any issues during the setup, don't worry. First, check that your Wi-Fi router is within a reasonable distance, ideally within 10 meters, of your AC unit. Sometimes, simply restarting both your AC and your home router can resolve connection problems. Also, ensure your Voltas Smart AC app is updated to its latest version for optimal performance and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.